I'm going to show you how to arrange your icons here on your iPhone. You can do single arrangements or multiple arrangements. The only thing you need to do is click on your icon and hold it until you get that little X, and then you can just move it and just drag it how you want. So if you want to make multiple movements, maybe 5 or 10 at a time, just click on that icon and just move it a little bit until that X go away, and then just click on the icons you want to add. As you can see, I'm doing clicking. You notice that I got 6 of them there. You can move them. You can move them to the other side or however you want, and just let them go. We're gonna go and do that again. Just hold it, slide it a little bit until the X go away, and click on the ones you want. And just move them around where you want them. You can move them to the first or second page, however you want to do it. Or you could just come back and just let them go. And that's all to it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.